Hazrat Al-Qamar radiyallahu anhu says, I went to Syria, performed 2-unit prayer and invoked, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, bless me the company of some upright person. Then I went close to a group of people and sat beside them. Meanwhile, an elderly man came and sat beside me. I asked, Who are you? He replied, Abu Darda. I said, Undoubtedly I made a supplication that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu might bless me with a righteous companion, so you have been sent to me. He asked me, Where are you from? I replied, I am from Kufa. He said, Don't you have Ibn Abd, Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu, who would keep with himself the holy sandals, pillow, and a small bowl of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Is not amongst you the one, Hazrat Ammar bin Yasar, whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu gave refuge from Satan at the request of his Prophet? Isn't amongst you the one, Hazrat Huzaifa, who knows those secrets of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam which nobody knows else him? Then he said, Tell me how Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu recites, Wallayli iza yakhsha. So I recited it for him. Wallayli iza yakhsha, wan nahari iza tajalla, wal dhakari wal untha. So he said, By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught me in this way, as if he had put it in my mouth from his own mouth. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3742.